Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Frugy here, and I am going to give you the review of the TruBlend CoverGirl concealers that are new that I featured in my massive drugstore haul. And yeah, so what I thought I would do, I got 3 shades, light kind of, and then sort of 2 medium, you know. I thought what I would do, yeah, that is not how to shade match, is do my whole face with these. Like, is that going to be a lot? Is that going to be too much? Like, no foundation, just concealer. Okay? Fun, right? And then I thought as well, because CoverGirl has some new stuff out that is Exhibitionist Liquid Shadow. So we've seen this before. This is just like the Stila, also just like the Koki. Here's the Koki Crystal Fusion, which Koki even like, almost the same packaging. So this one just has a black lid. I got the shade Flashing Lights. Then there is a new palette, eyeshadow palette, CoverGirl True Naked Queenship. So I'm not sure if this is a collab or what collection this is from besides Queenship. These little palettes that they've come up with, there's like the chocolate and the peach and the there's even a rainbow one. They're great. So there's a liquid lip, also melting pout, and this is Gilded Goddess is the shade, and it is really pretty, and it is metallic. And they have new highlighters. There's like, they have that highlighter kind of trio compact, and then this is Super Glow, no, I'm sorry, TruBlend Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlighter in Pearl Crush. So I thought, well, while I'm just gonna feature new CoverGirl, right? Okay, cool. Let us begin. I'm not really priming, but I am gonna do this. I got sucked into, I was watching Kim Kardashian's YouTube channel, and it was so much fun to watch her put on makeup and to watch Mario put her makeup on for her. And it was very like soothing, like lulling, you know? So this isn't really her technique. I don't know why I'm bringing that up, but I felt like inspired because she bronzes everything. And Scott Barnes does that too, where there's like so much bronzer and then you kind of fill in the lighter, darker areas. So I'm gonna use the Milani Soft Glow in the bronze. This is the Soft Glow that I used the lighter shade in my Charlotte Tilbury dupe for the Hollywood Flawless filter. And I mentioned that I had bought this, but I'm gonna use it in this video, and I'm gonna use it like a primer. But I'm also just gonna, because it's a nice day out, I'm wearing this sundress with spaghetti straps. I've got sunscreen on, I've kind of got bronzer on, but what I want to do is I want to pull bronzer all the way down my face. So I'm gonna actually put this on with a brush. This is a kabuki brush. So I am gonna get my neck, because I feel like with summer and bronzers and self-tan, I don't self-tan my face because with all the retinols and glycolics and acids, like they're just, nothing sticks. Like there's so much exfoliation going on. If I self-tan my face, it's like not even gonna last. So I self-tan my neck. Actually, even because I put skincare on my neck, I kind of self-tan only up to my collarbones. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to just really go in. You kind of can't see, but this is what I'm doing. I'm totally into brushes lately for applying products. I'm still gonna go over with a sponge in some areas, but I am just kind of all about brushes right now. Let's get these out. I swatched these before, but I'm gonna do it again. This is the shade Natural Ivory. I also was mistaken. These are not under 10. On Ulta, they're $10.99. Who knows, maybe like your Target for me is always like a couple dollars cheaper. So this, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have Natural Ivory, Buff. It's actually a really good, That's what gave me the idea of doing like my whole face, because this is buff. And then this shade is Perfect Beige. Got this Sonia Kashuk flat top foundation brush, and I've got the new Real Techniques. They have a second sponge to their original. This one is a little more porous, but I like it. I actually think it does maybe a better job. All right, so I'm gonna kind of contour and highlight my face up the yeah. So going really light where I need it in my inner corner. The reason also I'm doing this is the display that I saw at Walgreens for this product totally had a girl just with her full everything painted on. So I'm like, well, yeah. And so that was the lightest shade. This is my darkest shade I chose, the Perfect Beige. It's not, I could go darker for contour. This isn't really a contour. But we'll pretend. And then this is kind of like an every shade. Okay. Woo! I might need to darken this up a bit. No, maybe not. Wow. That coverage, whoa. You know when you freshly wash a brush and it's still, like it dried and then it feels like a pair of jeans that you've hung on the clothesline to dry and it's like crispy? That's what that brush felt like just now. Just getting in that inner corner. Really like, why bronze, Rebecca, if you're just covering it up? Well, the idea is that it kind of gives, it imparts a glow that's more lit from within that kind of warms up the skin. You know, maybe like in the wintry months, I would use the lighter shade to kind of give it a more like candle soft glow, whereas this, I want it to look like I have a little bit of just warmth in my complexion because it's summer. Now, honestly, this feels so perfectly blended. I don't even know if I really need the sponge to kind of go through it, but because it's concealer, which could be a little bit of a heavier product, the sponge is good to kind of thin it out. Sponges absorb some product, so when you feel like you've overdone it, it's actually nice to go through and that's pretty good. I don't know. Right now, I'm not going to add any more product because I feel pretty good. Don't want to get like thick and cakey. I'm going to go into the eyeshadow wheel. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a little bit. I'm going to kind of fluff this around. This is the stuff with the concealer, that fragrance. So I'm going to just do a little on my T-zone where my skin doesn't react. This is like classic CoverGirl. Like it smells, you know, good old fashioned CoverGirl. And someone DM'd me and said that they use it for powder foundation, and I just don't see how that is possible. This is a phenomenal powder. This, I'm thinking of Radiance. There's the Advanced Radiance powder. Where is that? Huh. Why do I not have that? This is shade 810. Check on this. I found this at Rite Aid, if you're wondering. It's really pretty. This matte shade right here is really what saves it, because all these shades are beautiful, but you know, for every day we're kind of intimidated. We want to have like just that neutral, oh, I need that shade that just kind of goes all over the eyelid before I do anything else, right? I don't know, that's how I feel. Ah. Okay, let's do this. Do they have names? No. That's a great taupe. I mean, wow. Something else I'm doing, which I didn't do here just now, so I'm gonna, I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go in, it's a little intimidating. I'm wearing red, so I wasn't thinking of doing purple eyeshadow, but I'm gonna go in this purple shade and just a little bit right here in the crease, making it really small. Turn it in terms of amount of application. Ooh, that really gave it some depth. I'm going to take my finger into this kind of champagne shade. See, I am going to use that liquid, so I might be killing some of the effects of this one, but that's okay. I just kind of want to play outside pink. Ooh, this goes on really smooth. Ooh. And when I said a little bit, I guess I meant I'm covering the entire lid. Not too big. And before it sets, I like to give it a little blend on the edges. I really like this. It really gives quite the fun. I'm going to take a clean brush and just kind of buff over places. I'm going to put the highlight on and then I'll fill in some blush and more bronzer. I want this. Okay, so let's swatch this. Oh, that's pretty. So soft. It feels really soft. Let's see what this lip product is like. I probably should do some liner and maybe some other, but I'm just going to demonstrate it for you. Okay, so CoverGirl got Gilded Goddess. It's a little dry. I don't know if that's just my tube. Like the eye product went on so much smoother. It's very bronze. Oh, why is it? Woo! Oh, that's some perfume. Oh God. Oh, I can taste it. It's like Old School CoverGirl. That is the Old School CoverGirl scent. Oh God, I don't know if I can do those. This particular one I'm just not thrilled with. Whether it's the color isn't lending itself on me, maybe my tube is a little dried out. The scent is overpowering. So I think I'm probably just gonna wear one of my new Rimmel or Maybelline lipsticks. Okay, I'm gonna fill in my brows and mascara. I actually don't have any CoverGirl mascara right now. Mascara off camera, and share more thoughts on where that kind of thing, and I'll be right back. This lipstick on me is the Rimmel Doubt Red from my drugstore haul as well, and it is an incredibly creamy formula. I blotted it and just kind of let it dry down, and it is so thin in terms of it's weightless, and I think it'll wear well. Yeah, it's kind of amazing. Okay, so I think I really love this CoverGirl concealer. I think I love everything, I think. The concealer, the eyeshadow, the highlighter. I don't like the lip, but honestly, this collection and some of these new launches are really good. So yay on this, and yay on these, and I don't know about this one. I don't know. Sorry, guys. Yeah, so this is fun. And I think that the combination of concealer shades I used mixed with the bronzer from Milani, I think made a good color shade match. I just think that's going to be my thing for summer. Apply bronzer. I mean, you don't have to do it as primer, but honestly, I feel like I didn't contour. Like, I didn't go in and do my contour jaw thing. Sometimes I do that. But I feel like I didn't have to worry about a seam. I didn't have to worry about blending. So I might just trademark that. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much. I'll leave links below of where I can find these online if I can. And like I said, I think I picked them up between my Walgreens and my Rite Aid, and hopefully you can find them too. And yeah, oh gosh, look at this. I will leave any notes if there was tremendous fallout or everything looked, you know, if it didn't look right, but I feel like this is kind of setting up to be a good, it feels like it's not going anywhere. Like, I have confidence in it. Alrighty, yeah, check the description box, of course. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.